Hello friends, welcome to Arinjay ki Masti channel. Today I'm going to share with you this Grolier book set and how does it help and how beneficial it is for small kids. And it's a very good home learning program for kids for all ages. We purchased this set from Grolier long time back and we are still using it. So um, there are many advantages, very many benefits that we have seen. First of all, one of the major benefit that we have seen is it comes with a talking pen, and that talking pen itself makes it independent. Like the small kids can easily learn how to pronounce the words. It helps in their pronunciation skills, phonetics, sound, etc. So it helps kids to learn independently. Then it helps in English improving faster with systematic learning from beginner to advanced levels. It has a vibrant pictures inside, and interesting activities also kids can perform. It makes them, keeps them motivated as they learn along through these books. It's very lightweight, it's very simple, and it's fun. If kids want to carry these books whenever they go out, they can easily do that with this talking pen. It's a fun way of learning. So let's see. I also, show you what kind of books are inside. It's a huge set. Okay, so it has many books inside it. So as you can see, there are 20 books. So the first book is Talking English, and what is it? There are many chapters in book one. As you see, what is your name? What is this? My body. So these are few initial words, few initial chapters that kids start speaking. Kids start learning these words. So what is your name? What is this? My body. All these are simple chapters that and each book consists of 3 or 4 chapters inside it. So um, I'll be sharing all these books with you through my videos, in upcoming weeks. I also like to share some of the learning features of this set. So as I told you, it helps in the vocabulary building, it helps in the pronunciations. So phonics time, it improves the phonetics of kids, how the words are pronounced, what are the alphabet sounds. Then it has a chat box inside it, that helps in building conversational skills with meaningful sentence suggestions. Then it also this talking pen helps also in listening to the music and listening to the sounds of those alphabets. We will see how it works. Then all these books focus on promoting key language skills. So it helps in building vocab, it helps in grammar and sentence patterns, it helps in reading and comprehension, it helps in speaking and pronunciation, and also it helps in writing. So through these books kids learn to independently read and master the language better with systematic learning. It motivates kids as they learn in a well balanced English environment. So let's see, let's see the first book. So here is the talking pen that I was talking about, and this is book number 1. As you see, the book's title is What is Your Name? This is unit 1 of this book, and now this is a start button. Now Let me start this talking pen. This is the sound that comes when start this pen. And when you place this tip of this pen here, it reads.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. As you can see, these books contain like so many pictures, interesting pictures, so kids really get curious and they can easily start reading these books with this pen independently. You don't have to sit around with them. You just give this pen to them with these books, and they will start learning. Their learning journey will start.
Hello.
Hello.
May I come in?
May I come in?
Yes, please come in.
Yes.
Please sit down.
Please come in. Please sit down. You see how beautifully they have designed these books. My son has been reading through these using this talking pen, and he really enjoys a lot. I don't have to sit around with him. There are many such books. He is reading these days through the use with the use of this pen. So the second book comes in, like the title of the second book is I Like Food. So this is a whole series of these books. There are 20 books which comes in this set. And every day you or in 2-3 days you can finish one book easily, and your kids will learn the words, the initial words, and the vocab, and how to pronounce those words. They will learn easily. So I'll be sharing the different books with you in my in our upcoming videos. I hope you have enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching.